Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss on 5 important topics. Because of that we are losing in a long run. Okay, in the beginning of my trading career, up to 2 years, I used to violate these things and never used to follow these 5 important topics. But for 2 years I was a loss making trader, and then I improved slowly with the help of some people or YouTube videos, all these factors, trading psychology. So instead of strategies, I started focusing on psychology. Then slowly I started improving on these topics. So I suggest you start improving these aspects in the beginning of your trading career to be a profitable trader from the beginning. Okay, let's see what each topic says and how do we overcome that. Patience. So generally we don't wait for the market to reach to some level and then enter into the trade. When we see what I used to do, when we see a red candle, I used to take put, buy put or sell call. Okay, when if immediately if it reverses and makes some green candle in 2 minutes or 5 minutes candlestick pattern, I used to exit this and then enter into the call buy or put sell to the upside, right? That is absolutely a wrong thing. Even in the stocks also I used to do the same things. So other thing, when I follow some strategies, if it makes some loss today, I search for new strategy which is more profitable. I get into another strategy. There also I start making loss and jump into another strategy. No patience at all. Jumping between the strategies. Okay. That's why you have to try one strategy in different market conditions with patience. So that will start giving you profit when you keep repeating the same things over and over again and again. Okay. Second topic, over trading. So I was always thinking today, end of the day, I should be in green and make profit and go home. I never used to accept the loss. By doing so, I always end up losing more. Okay. Then in doing that, I used to trade like 200 trades, 100 trades, many trades. This we are just simply giving the brokerage to the broker, right? So just keep a limit of 2 to 3 trades per day. Whatever it is, either loss or profit, just close it after reaching this target. Third point, position sizing. So this is another important factor. If you have, say for example, 10 lakhs, and if you find some trade, just start with 30% of your capital, and if the market goes in your favor, keep adding this capital 20% or 10%, 30% in a staggered manner when the trade is in your favor. Okay, not in the opposite direction. Don't average the losing trade. Okay, only if it is moving in your favor, just then only add the or average in the winning trade. Next topic, risk reward. At least have 1:2 risk reward or even more than that, not less than that. So if it is reaching 1:2, then trial the SL. You don't have to close. You can book it. If not, you trial the SL, so that if the trade continues to go in your favor, you can also aim for bigger 3, 4, 5, 1:5, 4, 5, up to 10 also you can try. So keep trialing the SL. Another important factor, trading journal. Trading journal, whenever you enter some trade or whenever you exit some trade, keep making the entry in some journal. Otherwise you will not understand in the long run what mistakes you did, where you entered, what was the strategy you entered, so and how much profit it has given, many other aspects. So later when you review that, you will understand what was the best thing, what mistakes you have done, what best things you have done, and you can repeat or avoid the things, right? So it is very important to have the trading journal. Yeah, these are the 5 important aspects, guys. If you need more detailed video on this, let me know in the comment box. We'll go in detail on each aspect and understand how to overcome and how to avoid these mistakes in detail. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.